Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you a neat trick that I like to do sometimes, and that is a BPM reverb offset. So this is kind of techno. Actually, it's a lot techno, and it's something that I enjoy doing a lot actually, and it's a good way to get groove in your techno track. So I have a basic idea here. All right, basic techno track I put together, and I have this guy here. Right, and that is a pitch down kind of, I guess you'd call it a tambourine thingamajig. Pitched it down, added an auto filter, added an envelope to it, right, and that will do something pretty interesting down the road. So I'm going to add a reverb, because what is techno without some reverb? So check this out. Right, so I have a decay time, and I want to set the pre-delay, right? I want to set the pre-delay so there's kind of a sound happens, it bounces off the wall, and it comes back at a millisecond sort of thing. Right, wouldn't it be great if I could synchronize this somehow? Well, there's a little bit of a workaround that you can. So what I want you to do is set that to the lowest value it can go. I'll just minimize that. And set this to the highest value. And right, so there it is, like the wet signal kind of thing going on. I'm going to right click on top and then hit group. And I'm going to click on this drop down or this list menu thing here. And here we are. I've created an audio effect rack. So this is the first chain with the reverb on 100%. This is 100% wet. I'm going to right click and then create a new chain, and this one will be the dry. So if you mix those together, I'll just move it up to the top. I'll just rename this. Go dry. And then this one will be verb. All right, so check this out. Right, sounds kind of similar. We got 100% wet, and then the dry signal, all well and good. Let's delay this using simple delay. So we're going to be using a delay not as an echo sort of thing. We're going to use it as a way to delay the reverb signal. I just dragged it onto the reverb signal here. And I'm going to go link and then have this set to 1 or whatever and have this all the way at 1%. So now, right, nothing's happened, but it's actually delayed a little bit. Right, hear that? I'll accentuate it a bit, so now it's on 2. Right, that is in time. Right, and that's a cool way to get like that pre-delay kind of sound. Another way you'd go about it is you'd have some sort of sidechain situation where the dry would trigger sidechain. You'd have a compressor here, and it would do that. This is a way so that it's perfectly in time. So from here, you've got some techno going on. And say I want to accentuate that reverb. Well, something I used to do, and it's just super easy. You just drag a compressor down here. Remember, this one is, actually didn't show you, this one's the sidechain. Maybe why it's sounding a little weird before. But yeah, you just bring the threshold down, and that will accentuate that reverb tail. And we can exaggerate a bit by just getting rid of the decay time. Right, so it's a little bit more snappier. And this is direct control of your pre-delay. Synchronizing your pre-delay, which is infinitely awesome. And then I would just have that go up. Right, and that's just a techno layer that you can do. And a lot can be done with this. You can do it with vocals and stuff like that. Get some ghosty kind of things going on. But yeah, that is that video. I hope you guys learned stuff. I hope you enjoyed. Take care and have a good one. That was not an Illuminati symbol. I'm not a member of the Illuminati. Anyway, take care. Have a good one. Goodbye.